Greetings and welcome. My name is Jake Carayson. I am a forest gardener and a forest garden designer, and today I wanted to show you the amazing forest garden spreadsheet. This is a sortable online spreadsheet of all the plants that appear in Martin Crawford's seminal book, Creating a Forest Garden. There are 4 different headings on the spreadsheet. The green headings are the basic information about the plant, its name and its size. The yellow headings are for the soil conditions. The pink headings are for the harvest type, and then at the end there's green headings which relates to the order in which they appear in the book. To sort the spreadsheet, go to the top left hand corner and click to select all the cells. Then go to Data, Sort Range, and I'm going to sort by whether it's a windbreak or not. So click on the down here under Wind for windbreak. And I want to sort by whether it's an evergreen or deciduous as well. So scroll back up, deciduous, evergreen, and I'll reverse the sort order to make it easier to find stuff. Click on sort, and there we can see you can use any of the headings to sort by, so it's a pretty cool piece of kit. Scroll over here, you can see it's got the wind order down there, so all these are windbreaks. And it's got the evergreen at the top as well. All these 15 different plants, evergreen and windbreak. This spreadsheet uses the data from Plants for the Future, which is a fantastic resource, an online database of useful plants. There is also a link, if you click on here, to a Forest Garden Gallery, which is a volunteer project I'm involved in, which is a collection of photographs for each of the different species. And there is also, if you are into designing forest gardens using CAD, then there is a library of all the different plants available on here too. I hope that's useful. Thank you.